bring it back, bring it back, bring it back.
Lead up, got me thinking, babe. Tell me if you with it, cause
I said, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Black Barbie Doll, coming to you with a wig tutorial. I'm going to show you how to slay your closure. And yes, maybe this is a closure. Hold on, let's get into it. Like a frontal, honey. Make it look like it's coming out your scalp. But anyways, first, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let's get into it. Here we have a bowl, our quick blue, 30 volume developer, a paint spreader, and a closure, and of course gloves. Now we're going to bleach the knots on our closure. Here I'm opening up the quick blue and just pouring it into the bowl. I love this brand. It takes away the brassiness. And now I'm just applying 30 volume developer. I eye it because I do bleach my knots a lot on my closures when I am doing sew-ins or making wigs. Here I'm just mixing it all together to get the right consistency that I want. You see how it's clumpy? You don't want it to be like that. I'm pouring more developer in and mixing it some more. That's not the consistency that I want. It's too runny. So we're going to add more quick blue. You want it to be the consistency of icing, and that's a good consistency, but I think I'm going to get it a little bit more to my liking. So I'm going to continue to add more quick blue and keep stirring. Now it's to my liking. Now we're going to spread it onto our closure. You want to make sure you're spreading it all over to cover every gap in the closure, but also not pressing hard enough to where it will seep through and bleach the hair. So I'm making sure I get every inch of the closure without leaving. Closure. Make sure you don't get it on the hair, guys, also, because it can, like I said, bleach the hair, and you don't want that. Now we're just going to bleach the top part of the lace where the smaller knots are to make sure they get bleached very well, and so that it can blend seamlessly with our skin. Okay guys, we're finished. Look how good that looks. This is what it looks like after we're done washing everything out. I use my Shimmer Lights shampoo also behind it once I rinse everything off. And look how well this blends with my skin, guys. Like, so good. Okay, now guys, I am just pinning down my tracks onto my wig just so that it can be secure when I sew them on. Now, y'all, don't laugh at me because the pin was not trying to go in, okay? This is how I line my tracks up in the back of my wig, straight across. And I'm also using double tracks in the back so it can be full. Let's begin. Okay, guys, I'm basically done almost sewing my tracks into my wig. I'm just showing you the placement that I decided to use and the placement I will continue to use toward the top. And here is the back of the wig as well as the side of the wig in case you was wondering what it looks like. So it will be a deep side part. I also wanted to show you guys how I place my closure. I sewed it in a diagonal, leaving a little bit off on the side where that flap is. That flap will be near my ear, so it can act like a ear tab for a frontal. Okay guys, I'm just going to close the rest of it off. And y'all, this has been a long process. I am tired. I've been working on this non-stop. I took a couple breaks, I'm not gonna lie, but they weren't long breaks, but they were breaks. And yeah, I'm just gonna close this off, come back, and then get on to the setting the part where my closure is and also styling it. Bye guys, I will see you later.
Hey, bring it back, bring it back.